Okay, right now, as we all know, differentiation, if they have given the distance, suppose I am giving the function s is equals to t square. So now find the velocity, everybody. So what we will do to find the velocity? We'll apply what? Everybody. We'll apply the differentiation. So ds by dt, so which is equals to, if I do the ds by dt, what is the value? Velocity. Velocity is equals to, all of you. All of equals to velocity equals to 2t. Now find the velocity at 2 seconds. So if you find the velocity at 2 seconds, means what will come? V is equals to 2 into 2, which is equals how much, everybody?
4 meter per
4
second.
4
meters.
meter per second.
Next, if I ask you to find V time is equal to 3 seconds, then find the velocity. Then what is the velocity? Velocity is equals to 2 into
6
3,
meter
which is
per
equals to 6 meter per second. So this is what we know, that from the displacement to velocity, we will use the differentiation to find it. Now, as we know, in last class we studied, they are giving the velocity. Velocity is equals to, for example, t plus 1. Now, I want to find the displacement. Then I have to use what? Differentiation or integration, everybody? I have to use what?
Integration.
Integration. Yes or no, brothers?
integrate
Integration. So then V is equals to, we all know. So V is equals to what? V is equals to ds by
ds
dt.
dt.
So which is equals to, yesterday I have made substitution form. So make it, this dt will come this side. What will become? Everybody, ds is equals to, fastly respond. Ds is equals to
v
vd.
into dt.
V into dt. That is what. Now apply the integration both the sides. So integration of ds is equals to integration of v dt. Is it okay, Pradosh? Yes, please.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we already knows integration of d of x. Can you tell me what is that? Yesterday I have taught you. Integration of d of x equals to. Take the notebook and tell me. Integration of d of x equals how much?
X.
X. Is it right?
X.
X. So same way
Yes, sir.
integration of ds equals to what? Yes. So s is
Yes.
equals to what will come? Integration of v dt. Is it right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That is what I want. Clear? So that is what you have to understood also. Now find the displacement between 0 to 2 seconds. So I'm giving the limit so that it is a definite integration or indefinite integration. I'm giving the definite
Definitely.
integration.
Definitely.
Find the displacement to 0 to 2 seconds. So that is what your limit. So what is the function? So s is equals to integration of v dt, and the limit is equals to what I have given time. Time t is equals to 0 and time
0 to
is equals to 2.
Oh,
That's all. So apply it now. Integration v is equals to what? What is given? V is equals to, everybody. Yes,
t
please.
plus 1.
V is equals to t plus 1. So I'll write t plus 1 into dt. Clear? For those, t plus 1 it is.
Yes,
Not,
sir.
please be very careful. T plus 1 it is. So t plus 1 into dt. So can you tell me what is the t plus 1 integration? Integration of t plus 1. Everybody, check it and tell me. All of you. So let me write this one. Observe very carefully. So this one, I can get it into, how it can get? Integration of 0 to 2 t dt plus 1 into dt. Is it right or wrong? All of you, can I get
yes,
it or
sir.
not? Yes, Laksha. So that
Yes,
is
sir.
what. So that is what. So can you tell me now what will happen this one? Integration of t dt. What are those? Integration of t dt? T plus 1, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Forgot? Nothing. Remember. Yes. Next, integration of 1 dt. What is that? Integration of x. Integration of dx equals to x. Same way, integration of dt. What is that? 1 dt. Integration of 1 plus
1
1 dt is equals to what? Ra? T. Yes,
t
that is what you have to remember.
T
So,
power 2 divided by
t power 2, brother. T power 2 divided by 2 plus t. Clear? Yes, everybody.
yes,
0
sir.
is the limit. So, which will come t square by 2 plus t divide limits 0 to 2. So now substitute the values. That's all. So 1 time 2. So t 2 square divided by 2 plus 2. Next what will come? Minus 0 square divided by 2 plus 0. So which is equal to 4 divided by 2 plus 2 minus everything, it will become 0. So now 2 ones are 2 twos are. So which is equals how much, guys? 2 plus 2. So what is the displacement?
4.
please.
4.
That is the answer. Clear? Understood, Ara? Prakash? Vishali, mute yourself. Understood or not? Rudreswar?
Yes, sir.
Solid. What happened, Pradosh? No network? Solve it, Rudreswar completed. Make it, make it. So we'll start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Observe very carefully. So it will be very, very serious. So this kind of questions will be very important. Find the yes. Yes means what? Distance or distance? Yes or no? Or displacement, whatever it is. Find the displacement at the end of 4 seconds. If initially body is at origin. Do you all understand, everybody? Yes, please. So the body is at origin. Understand, Amma? So find the yes at the end of 4 seconds. At the end of 4 seconds, if the initially body is at rest or origin, it is. So body is at origin means so it is displacement is equals to what? No displacement.
0.
Zero. Clear? And initially it is. So initially means time is equals to what? Time is
0.
equals to what? Zero. So now they're asking, find the displacement at the end of 4 seconds. If initially body is at origin, means initial time period is zero and displacement is zero. Then if I apply the function, so distance is equals to, it's not integration. Yes, yes equals to, that is a confusion. So be careful. So S is equals to integration of VDT. Now you tell me, is there any kind of the limits for this? So is it a definite integration or indefinite integration? No, no limits is mentioned in the question. So is it a definite integration or indefinite integration? Everybody? Yes, please. Indefinite integration. Clear? So what is the function we have, brothers? Check it here. What is the function we have got? S is equals to here. S is equals to what we got? T square by 2 plus t
Square by
by
2.
2 in understanding t square by 2 plus t, but here limits is mentioned, but here limits is not mentioned. See at the end of 4 seconds, so that so it is a definite or indefinite, everybody? It is the
In the
indefinite. Clear? So that is what. So in this case, so as we all know, s is equals to what is the function? T square by 2 plus t plus it is indefinite means what we have to add? What we have to add, guys? Plus P. So now as we know, at the initial, at the origin, displacement is equals to 0. Now t square, t value also what? 0 square divided by 2 plus 0 plus c. Then can you tell me what is the c value? C value is equals to how much? Respond please.
0.
T is equals to what? Because as t is equals to 0, s is equals to also 0. Then what is the c value? Everybody respond, guys.
0.
Zero. Then they are asking, what is the displacement at the end of what? End of 4 seconds. Then, so you can substitute it. S is equals to t square by 4, sorry, t square by 2 plus t. Is it okay, Rudreshwar? Then you can directly substitute t is equals to 4. So if you substitute, what will come? 4 squared by 2 plus 4. So which is equals to 16 by 2 plus 4. So which is equals to 2 ones are 2 eights are. So 8 plus 4. So after 4 seconds, what is the displacement shown by the body? Everybody? 12 meters. But here, have you noticed it, Rudreshwa, Pradosh? No limits is provided. That is why we are taking. So at the end of 4 seconds, if the initially body is at what? Initially body is at origin. So initially body is at origin means t is equals to 0 and displacement is equals to what? 0. So with that data, we'll find what? C value. Now, I am saying you be very careful. Everybody remember, Aswita, can you hear me? Laksha, everyone? We have to find the value of C before going to substitute the given data. Understand, Rudreswa? we have to find the C value in the given function before going to start the numerical. Are you clear, everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. Okay? Yes, please. So any doubt in this, Aswita? Clear? Shali?
No, sir.
Okay, right, next. Next
Yes,
question.
sir.
V is equals to 2t. V is equals to 2t. Find displacement S. Find displacement S at 3 seconds. Okay? 3 seconds. If at t is equals to 0, body is 2 meters. Be very careful. Body is not at origin. Body is 2 meters behind. 2 meters behind origin. So 2 meters behind origin means, be very careful. Is it negative? Behind means negative or positive? Behind.
Negative.
See, this is the origin.
Negative.
This is the origin. So if I take this is the origin, the object is present 2 meters behind, means it is not reached, because we know origin means what is that value, everybody? 0.
0.
0. 0.
It is present behind means. So behind means it is a negative or positive, everybody? Yes, please. Negative. So that is what you have to remember. So the given function is S is equals to, what is the given function? S is equals to all of you. S is equals to integration of V dt. So now S is equals to V equals to what, everybody? Respond. V is equals
2t
to
into t.
2t into dt. So which is equals to, so 2 is the constant. If I take the 2 is outside, then what will come? T dt. Yes or no?
Duty.
So integration of x dx, which is equals to, what is the answer? X dx is equals to x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, which is equals to x square by,
4 by 2.
everybody, 2. So same way here, what will come? Respond, everybody.
4 by 2.
2 into t square by 2. Is it yes or no, Pradosh? Which is equals to t square plus, it is definite or indefinite integration, Laksha? Indefinite integration. So what will come? What
Plus
will
C.
come? Plus c will come. Now you see that here it is, if it is starting from origin, then S will become what? S is equals to 0. But it is not starting from origin. What is the position of the body? S is equals to, everybody, 2 meters before. So means in the sense of S is equals to t square plus c. So we all know S value is how much? Everybody, just now I told you S value is what? S value is minus 2. And what is the t value? Everybody, t value is equals to what? T value is
0.
what, everybody? 0. Then substitute. S value is minus 2. Minus 2 is equals to 0 square plus c. So c is equals to, what is the answer? Please respond.
Minus
C is equals to minus 2. Then they are asking us to find the displacement at what time? They are asking us to find the displacement at what time, Ra Pradosh? Check it. 3 seconds. So S
3
is
seconds.
equals to, what is the function? S is equals to, check it here, t square plus
C.
c. So value is t square plus c. T square, what is the t value? T value all knows.
3 square.
3 square, 3, and plus c value is
Minus
what?
2.
Minus 2. So 9 plus into minus minus 2. So what is the displacement shown by the body? Everybody?
7.
Yes, 7 meters. Understand? Ishali, Pradoshe, how to do? So we must find the c value before going to find the displacement. Are you all clear, everyone? Yes, that is the point you have to remember. You must find the C value before going to find the displacement. Is it okay? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So be
Yes, sir.
very careful, analyze the question and you have to solve. Thinking skill should be increases. Next. Now, let us go with the next one. So let me take again velocity. So velocity is equals to t square. So now, if I want to find acceleration, what we will do, guys? Let's all see now. We came till now what we solved, last two questions. Last two questions, what we have solved?
Displacement.
Find the displacement from where? From velocity. Yes or no?
Velocity.
Now, we are going to
Yes.
find velocity from acceleration. Am clear? We are going to find velocity from acceleration. Am clear? Please respond. So if I want to find acceleration from velocity, I need to do differentiation or integration. Everybody remember and tell me. Differentiation or integration? Differentiation. Do you remember delta V by delta T is only acceleration? Yes or no? Or a smaller difference, we can say dV by dt.
by dt.
So dV by dt. If I do the dV by dt, what will come, Raghush? D of t square divided by dt, which is equals to what, guys? Everyone?
2T.
2t.
Ah, 2t.
2T.
Or no? So now, if you're taken, so this is only we used to call as differentiation or integration.
Differentiation.
Differentiate. So if you differentiate, we will get acceleration from whom? We will get acceleration
Velocity.
from velocity. Now we want reverse. So for example, if a is equals to t plus 3, then find velocity. So if you want to find velocity, so what is the one and only way? We have to do it what? Yes, please. We have to find velocity. So what is the way? In this case, we want to find velocity from acceleration. Then we have to do what? Differentiation or integration? We have to do integrate. Is it okay, everybody? Please respond. All
Yes,
of you.
sir.
So already I'm saying you now. So acceleration means what? We know the formula. dv by, everybody,
DT.
dv by dt. From that, dt will come this side. What will become? dv is equals to, everybody, dv is
ADT.
equals to
ADT.
a dt. Clear, Alaksha? Now apply both the sides
Yes, sir.
integration. dv is integration of dv is equals to integration of a dt. Is it clear, all of you? Yes, and we
Yes,
all know integration of dx. What is the answer? Integration of
X.
dx, x. Same way, integration of dv. What is the answer?
V.
V.
B.
So V is equals to integration of what, Ra? This is the formula. Clear, Ra? Finding the velocity from acceleration. That is the formula. Anyone having any doubt? Anybody can ask. Clear, Ra? How to find velocity from displacement, and now how to find acceleration with the help of velocity. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. You can. We can proceed. Otherwise, we'll go forward. Okay, wa? Yes. All of you. No
Yes,
response.
sir.
That is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me take now. So we can say V is equals to integration of a dt. Now I'm taking a function. So let me take now a is equals to. So I'm taking, for example, already I have taken a is equals to what we have taken. Check it, everybody. What is that function we have taken? A is equals to. Please
T
respond,
plus
guys. T plus 3. So I'll find now V. V is equals to integration of a means what I can write. Rudreswa? T
T
plus
plus
3
T plus 3.
dt. Clear? T plus 3 dt. So can you apply the integration and can you tell me, everybody, fastly? Integration of this one. So I can write this one like this. T dt plus
T plus
integration of 3
3.
dt. And okay, T dt plus 3 dt. So what is the answer will come? Fastly. Integration of T dt means what? T plus 1
T square
plus
by
divided by 1 plus 1. Here, 3 is constant. I will take it out. Integration of dt. So can you tell me, please? Now also not saying I cannot help you people.
T
So
square
v
by
is
2.
equals to
plus
t square by
T
2
square by
plus
2
2.
by 2
3t.
plus
Yes
3
or no? Y
3T.
means
yes,
integration of dt, which is equals to what? T.
T.
Yeah.
T.
Integration of dx is equals to x. So that is why.
X.
So integration of dt is t. So 3 into t, what will come? 3t. Yes or no?
3T.
V square is
Yes,
v is
sir.
equals to t square by 2 plus all of you 3t. Understood? Yes,
Yes, sir.
please. That is
Yes, sir.
what I
Yes,
understand.
sir.
Okay. So from velocity we can find the displacement, and from acceleration we can find what, guys? Back reverse process. Reverse process.
Velocity.
Velocity.
Velocity. Understand? Now I will make you be very careful. From the distance we can find the velocity. From the velocity we can find the acceleration. By which process? Differentiation or integration? Differentiation. Clear? Now reverse process. From acceleration to velocity, velocity to the displacement. So this process is only we used to called as, what process we used to call?
Integration.
Integration. Allah me clear?
Yes.
Any doubt anybody can ask?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Right. Next, first question. A is equals to 3t square. A is equals to 3t square. Find V at t is equals to 3 seconds if initially body is at rest. Means initially body at rest means what, guys? Initial time is what? All of you.
0.
0.
Initially body at rest. So initially body at rest means velocity is also what? Everyone. Assumption.
0.
0. So assumption it is. Clear everybody? And initially body at rest. Initially means what is the time period? Time is equals to also. Everybody,
Zero.
please
Zero.
respond. That is you should understand from the question. I should not say. I hope you all understanding. Yes, everybody. So V is equals to integration of A dt. So A dt, if I have taken, so now it does not have limits. So that is why this is called as definite or indefinite.
Indefinite.
Yes. So indefinite limit. Okay. So apply the things. Integration of AD. What is A? It's not ADT. You just take A. So what do you mean? What is the value of A, everybody? Integration of A dt. So if I have taken integration of A, what is that A value, guys? A value how much? Already
3t
given.
square.
Square.
3t square dt. Is it okay, Wow? Yes, please.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now 3 is in constant. You can bring it what? Outside. So t square dt. So now t square dt, how I can write, guys? T square dt. You can write as a what?
4.
Fastly.
Three power
T
T.
power 3 divided by 3.
3
Will you
by
all accept it?
3.
Accept it.
Yes.
And here symbol is
Yes,
wrong.
sir.
Already over. Integration of t square only we are getting what? Integration of t square is equals to t power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And it is a
Yes,
definite or
sir.
indefinite function. Check it, everybody. Definite or indefinite? Indefinite. So 3 will get
Indefinite.
cancelled. Answer is t cube. If it is indefinite, something we should put. I told you. We have to add
Plus
what?
C.
Plus C.
Plus C.
Yeah, that is what you have to remember. Now, as the body is at rest initially, and initial velocity is also 0, means as I mentioned in the question, t is equals to 0 and v is equals to 0. So now can you tell me v is equals to t3 power t3, sorry, t cube plus c came. So now we want to
C
find the
equal to
c
0.
value. Yes. So 0 is equals to 0 cube plus c. So c is equals to what, guys? Everybody? C is equals to
Zero.
0. Now you can find. They are asking what? Find the velocity after how many seconds? Everybody?
3.
3
3
seconds.
seconds.
So after 3 seconds, velocity, velocity is equals to, what is that? V is equals to, everybody respond. V is equals to
27.
T cube plus
T3. T cube. Y means it is actually what, guys? 3 into t square. So which is equals to 3 into 2 square plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So which is equals to 3 into t cube divided
T
by
cube
3. So
by
3 will get cancelled. Finally, v means what will get? Everybody?
T
Yes,
cube.
please. T cube. So t cube means t value is 3. So 3 power 3, which is equals to how much, guys?
27.
27.
27 meter per
27 meters per second.
27 meter per second.
Seconds.
So that is what velocity. Any doubt? Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Clear? Yes, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, solid. Any doubt? Anyone can ask. Okay, complete this question fastly. Pradosh, can you able to solve?
Sir.
Next question. Can I say? Everybody? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Two more questions I'll teach you. Okay. So let us see that. Now, next question. All of you right. Is it completed? Samaya? Manya? Right. So A is equals to t square plus t plus 1. So this is what acceleration given. Now they will ask you to what? Find V at t is equals to 2 seconds. So this is what your question. So now if at t is equals to 1 second, body is at rest. Body is, sorry, not rest. Body is moving with the 2 meter per second. When t is equals to 1, body is moving with what actually, everybody? 2 meter per second in minus x direction. Are you all clear? Please respond. That is the question. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the question. So now we have to find what? Find the v at t is equals to 2 seconds, and they're saying that already if t is equals to 1 second, it is moving with the what acceleration, everybody? If t is equals to 1, then what is the velocity traveling it is? It is
2
traveling at
meter
the
per
velocity
second.
of 2 meter per second towards the what direction?
Minus x
The
direction.
minus x direction. Ellame clear? Yes? Now, how to solve this
Yes.
question? Observe very carefully. You know, they're asking us to find v. So, we all know v is equals to what is the formula? Integration of a dt. Yes or no?
AD.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Substitute a dt. A value how much? T square
T
plus
square
t plus
plus
1
1
dt.
AD.
Clear? So, it is limitless quantity. So, we have to add answer what? All of you. Yes? That is, and one more thing you see, at t equals to 1 second, body is moving in which direction? Everybody, which
Minus x
direction?
direction.
Minus
Minus
x
x
direction.
direction.
Means velocity is equals to what? Minus 2 or plus 2? Minus.
Minus
2.
Understand everybody? Okay, da? Respond or a? That is what? Clear? Now, so v is equals to, find that integration of t square. What will come? Integration of t square. T cube by 3.
Cube by
Integration
3.
of t square by 2 plus integration of 1 dt. Sorry, t. Integration of dt. Yeah, integration of the 1. What is that? 1 only. Dt means 1. What is the answer? Everybody. T square by t. So dt. Integration of 1 dt. What is the answer, guys? T only. Yes
TT.
or no?
T is
Yeah, t. So what will come here? T, and it is a definite or indefinite integration? Indefinite integration. So that we have to put what? Everybody. We have to
Plus c.
put plus c. Now, everywhere you can see we can substitute values. So v value is minus 2. T value is how much? 1. 1 cube divided by 3 plus another t value is again 1 square divided by 2 plus t value is 1 plus c. So now all of you check it here. This will come 1 by 3 plus this is 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, which is equals to minus 2. Clear everybody? Any doubt? Now, let me take this LCM. 3 2s are 6. So 6 means here what will come? 2 plus 3 plus, here 6 will come. Is it right? Am I correct? LCM teriyama teriyada? So that is what it will come. So 11 by 6 plus 3. Is it okay, Ra? Pradosh? So now 11 by 6 will come this side. It will become minus 11 by 6. So 11 by 6 is equals to C. So can you tell me C is equals to what will come? LCM is 6. If I have taken here 12 twos are, sorry, 6 12s are, how much ra? Minus 12 and minus 11. So C value, can you tell me how much it is? Minus 23 divided by 6. That is that. Clear? Yes, everybody, have you got the answer? C equals to minus 23 by 6. Yes or no? Both are minus. So addition. Minus 12 plus minus 23, which equals to minus 23. Okay, wa? Right or wrong? I want to know. Yes, but we want to find what? We want to find velocity at what seconds? Everybody. Yes, please. Find the velocity at t equals to what? T equals to what, guys? 2 seconds. Understanding? So what is the velocity function, Laksha? We already just now we have done. So 2 equals to 2 seconds. Find the velocity. So we already got the velocity function. What is the velocity function? T cube by 3 plus t square by 2 plus t plus 2. Okay, so finally we got the function. What is the function? V is equals to, everybody. Yes, please. What is the function will come? Nobody, no response. Nobody. So substitute the values. So t is equals to 2 seconds. That's all. So 2 cube by 3 plus t equals to again 2 seconds. 2 square by 2 plus 2 is equals to t plus c value just now we found. How much is the c value?
Plus 23 by
Minus
minus
23.
23 by
Minus 23 by 7.
Minus 23 divided by 6, correct?
6.
I am writing 7. So minus 23 divided by 7. So now you can see how we simplify, I will do it. So let me take now. So we want, of course, here also t means 2. We all know. Yes or no, guys? Now 2 cube means
sir.
what? 8. 8 by 3 plus 4 by 2 plus 2 minus 23 divided by. Yes, please. 6. Now, can you take what is the LCM I can take? 6 is the LCM. Here 3 is there. So 8 twos are how much? 16 plus here 2
16
is there, 4 threes are 4 threes are how much?
12.
12 plus 2 plus 2 minus 23 divided by 6. How much is the answer?
Sir, sir,
Yeah,
plus
oh,
2.
we have taken already 23. Is it okay, Rudreshwar? LCM is that?
Sir,
Yeah. Ask me. Which
sir,
one?
12 only, no, sir.
Yeah, 12.
2 years.
What, right? Oh, this is so very good. Sorry. That is what. So 4 is there. So 4, 2, 2 will get cancelled. We'll get to 2. Is it okay, This is it correct? Yes. No response. This is 4 by 2. We want to make it 6, guys.
Yes,
Then
sir.
we have to multiply with what here? Here I multiply with the 2. Here I have to multiply with what? 2 threes are. Actually, to make it LCM 6, I have to multiply with what, Ra? Numerator and
Sir,
denominator.
that's not, sir. Here, 2 by 1 means 2 into 6, 12.
1 minute, 1 minute. This also we missed it. Check it. LCM is 6. So LCM is 6 means here 3 is there, Rudreshwar. So then which number we have to multiply to get another? We have to multiply with the, yes, please. So we have to multiply with the what? 2 into 2. Next here into
Sir,
3
that's not.
into 3. This
Third term,
one.
sir.
I know. Into 6. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Now here into 1 already is there. So what will come answer? 4 threes are 12. So 12 divided by 12 plus here also 2 eights are, sorry, 2 six are, 6 twos are how much? All of you 12. So which is equals to 24. 24 plus 16. How much, guys? 24 plus 16.
40.
24 by 16 minus 23 divided by 6, which is equals to what is the answer? All of you. 40
17.
minus 23 divided by 6, which is equals to how much, guys? Fastly respond. 17 by 6 meter per second. Any doubt in this? You can ask me. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So solve this question.
Yes,
Very,
sir.
very important question. Clear? I hope everybody understood how to find velocity from acceleration. Is it okay, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is what. Any doubt anyone can ask me. So this is very, very important. You have to do it very carefully. If you close the book, everything is looks easy only. But when you are solving only, it is very, very tough. So shall we solve? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Next question. So before going to say you this question, I want to teach you one relation. So that is also you learn. Then only you proceed further. So let's start now, everybody. So as we all know, just now we have written acceleration equals to what is the formula? dv by. Please respond. Acceleration is equals to dy by dt. Velocity is equals to what? ds by
dt.
dt. Now, so observe very carefully. Velocity is having only same formula, but acceleration alternative formula is also there. So alternative formula. I will give you the homework sum. Let me see who will solve before 10:30 and will send me. But the thing is, you cannot supposed to take any help. Is it okay, guys? Understood? Alternative formula. So alternative formula of this one, be very careful. What is the acceleration formula? Acceleration means what? Acceleration equals to dv by dt. Clear? dv by dt. Is it okay, Laksha? Now, both numerator and denominator, I will multiply with the dx divided by dx. Is it any problem for you people? Yes, please. I am myself, I am multiplying. Understood, Pradoshe? Vishali? Myself, I divided both numerator and denominator with
Yes,
the
sir.
dx by dx. You have any problem? If you have any problem, anybody can ask me. Clear? Now, so can I write? See that all of you observe very carefully. Here, dx by dt is there. So dx by dt means something. Can you tell me? We have already studied. Something will give you distance by time. Who will give you? Something will come
Speed.
distance by time. What is that? Speed. Understanding? So I will modify this one as dv by dx into dx by dv. Is it okay? Yes. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
dv. Here dv. Sorry, dv by dx into dx by dt. Here mistake. Change it, everybody. So observe very carefully. dv by dx into dx by what? All of you. Dx divided by.
dt.
Any doubt in this? Are you clear, all of you? Now, from that, be very careful. Distance by time. X means distance. So distance by time we used to call it, or displacement by time. What we used to call? Distance or displacement? Yes, please. No one responds.
Speed or
Distance by
velocity.
time. Speed or velocity. So can I write in place of, so dx by dt is equals to velocity? Is it okay, Rudreshwa? It is rough form.
Yes, sir.
Kira, all of you, please respond. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now observe very carefully. Now if I apply, so this in place of this, I can write A is equals to dv by dx into v. Is it right or wrong? Will you all accept with me?
Yes, sir.
So that is what.
Yes, sir.
If you want to find the velocity, now velocity I want it. So velocity will be turns into what? Anybody can tell? Velocity is equals to what?
A dx by dv.
Yes. X square, of course. Let me take now. So as we all know, A I'm assuming as x square. So if I've taken this one, so A is equals to what is that? dv means. dv means we all people knows. So what is that actually? dv means I will take it as a dv by dt, as it is mass is concerned. You can see here always x or t both are same. Okay. So dv by dt, which is equals to